this video is going to be called Mark Wessels. You better take some dang notes, because this is going to be something that I think this one is way too basic. Yep, we can take critique this, because you know what? I got some pretty good critiquing to do. So yeah, you talked about triads in this one. A triad is a chord that's built on the first, third, and fifth notes of a scale. And the bottom note is the root. That is the most basic thing. I'm going to step it up a notch and show you how it's really done. Okay, so yeah, because there are 4 different types. If I remember correctly, so I'm going to say major first and foremost, minor on the second one, all minute is the plus sign, and the minute goes on after that. That is all. That's the basic. That's the other types that I think the 7th graders should already known that. Other than triad and all the first, third, and fifth of the scale, and find the root. They should be knowing this. That's how much their teachers have taught it. And I'm going to go ahead and prove to you that somehow that this is too basic. Like these right here. So you have C, E, G. That I identify as a major chord. A, C, E, that's a minor. But if I raise that C sharp up, however, it would be major. So, yes. So D, F, okay, then I know that I have this wrong. It's not C, it's a D. For the love of God. That's a minor. But what if I experiment with A? Put A sharp, then that would be odd minute. So, yeah, alright, that's not an A. That's a G. That's major. Offhand. Apathy. Yeah, that's major. Offhand. C, E, G. Okay, number 1, I should have put a capital on that. That should have been, but that's a major on top. D, B, that's a diminished chord. You didn't know this, but this part, all of this is diminished. Because you have had to lower the third, and you also had to adjust the fifth to make it diminished. Okay. That's a minor chord. That altogether is. This one is definitely minor on top of this. And for the love of God on this one, diminished on this too. Yeah, there should be more elements to your stuff, Mark Wessels. And look, it's more than just building triads. You have to learn and should show the 7th graders how to identify the other types of chords, you know. If you want to know how you get this information, if you had a college textbook on hand, look this stuff up. You know this is right. That should have been known. What in the world?